Little building update, guys. We have the back wall up, or the outer wall. The forklift video I showed last night was the guy getting these down. It actually took two of them to do it. First driver didn't have much luck, but second one did. But I've got the lumber. There's some more on the truck to frame up the roof. What I'm going to do on the front, I think, is these windows are just got like a couple screws on each side holding them in. Pull the windows back out and stand my sheeting up, and then go in from the inside and cut the window out and then set it back in. I hate trying to cut joints into things before I put it up. It always ends up looking like crap, but she's coming along pretty good. I'll update as I get more done. Pretty good.
Not too shabby.
Alright guys, hopefully I can wrap this up before the motion lights kick back off, but got the front panels on and trimmed in. Somehow I'm off like a half of an inch right on the top of that door. I kind of know how, because we made these walls, or this wall and then that wall over there, and then I framed in the door, so it kind of threw things off just a little bit, but it's close enough. And I was off maybe a quarter an inch in the back, kind of threw things off just a little bit, but it wasn't enough to matter. Tomorrow I'll get the floor laid in it. I'm just going to slide it in through the sides, and then start framing up, and hopefully I have to have it roofed by Thursday. They're giving a lot of rain to come in Thursday and Friday, so roof's got to be on it by then, one way or the other. But anyway, we're picking up tools, and it's a lot dingier out than it looks. Just motion lights on the house and everywhere has kind of got it lit up. But y'all have a good one.